Hello students, let us begin with lesson number 8, beginning of settled life. Under this we will study beginning of domestication of animals and agriculture. Now let us understand the meaning of settled life. So earlier man led a nomadic life. That means he used to travel from one place to another place. He used to wander from one place to another place in search of food and shelter, as they were hunters and gatherers. Later on, the discovery of agriculture and domestication of animals led people to settle in one place because they got everything they wanted in one place only. Now let us understand what is domestication of animals. So domestication of animal is a process of adapting wild animals for human use. Domesticated animals like dogs, goat, sheep, cattle, buffalo, etc. are useful to man in many ways. For example, dog is used to guard the house, goat gives milk and meat, sheep gives meat and leather, cattle gives milk and also used in agricultural purpose. There are three steps in domestication of a species of any animals. The first one is capture of wild animals. So basically the man captures the wild animal. Secondly, taming the captured animal, that is giving training to them to adapt or to live with the human being. And the third one is obtaining useful material like milk, meat, etc. from them, and also training them to work for human as beast of burden. So beast of burden means the animal that carries loads and pull heavy equipment. So when the third step is achieved, the animal is completely domesticated. So domesticating animals and keeping them for our own use is called as animal husbandry. In the sixth chapter, we learned that dogs were domesticated in the Middle Stone Age. So we can say that dog is the first animal to have been domesticated. Dogs were used to help with hunting. Later on, sheep and goats were domesticated. Now let us understand the concept of agriculture. So according to the archaeological evidence is available to show that agriculture first began 11,000 years ago in Israel and Iraq, and women were the first to start cultivation. In those periods, they used pointed sticks to sow the seeds, and in order to dig the soil deeper, the sticks were put inside the perforated stone. Perforated stone means hollow stones to make the stick weigh heavy. Women in some tribes still now sow the seed by this method. In the last chapter, we studied that people stayed at one place because of the nature of agriculture. And when man started using animal in agriculture for plowing, the agricultural production increased, and hence agriculture became the main source of livelihood. That is, which means the means or the ways of securing necessity in life. Since people understood that they are getting their basic necessity of life from the nature itself, they started worshipping nature and various deities like sun, rain, etc. for good crops. Essential and important things like sharing agricultural tasks, that is task means work, like sowing, plowing, harvesting, etc. Also sharing water resources and the security of the village settlement gained importance. People in village settlement established rules and customs to manage all these things. Thus, a social system based on agriculture came into existence.